It's a hot day today, people. Poor Katrina's getting done. Just going to check up on the croc spot, see if there's any more croc tracks. I put up my drone, this was I think a year ago, or a bit more than a year ago. I put up my drone and I saw a croc hanging on one of these logs. Only a little one, like 6 foot, maybe 7 foot. And put the drone away, came back, and I was sneaking up on the little one, right?
Yeah, very smart.
And I was sneaking up, and then it saw me and it went in the water, and the chitras were biting me really badly. And I went, bugger this, and it was already in the water, and it's not going to hurt me, it's too small, right? And so I was in the water, throwing heaps of water on my head, and the big one was here in the bush. It was up past Steffi, right? This is a 10-foot one, and it's a big one, right? And it got spooked, and I was right there, and it came tearing through the bush. I only just got up like this. I still had the camera, and I turned the camera on. I just got it going past me, but it didn't go for me. It was just a big, quick, angry, well, maybe not angry, just wanted to get out of there, but flying straight past me, straight in the water. Anyway, so just because there was one croc that left doesn't mean that there was another croc there. Anyway, I got caught out. Anyway, this is their spot. Well, it was until apparently Lewis said someone killed it. And they didn't even eat it.
What did he kill it for?
Because of they were bringing people here.
Oh.
So, anyway. Otherwise it'll take a kid, maybe. I don't agree with it, but anyway, they live there. It's their islands. Time for lunch for me. The girls have already had their lunch. They were famished at 11 o'clock.
We can get a second lunch.
And they had to eat. They were wasting away, people. But now they're going to have, what are you, hobbits? You're going to have a second lunch?
Yeah, exactly.
Let's have a look at the surgeon faces.
Ooh, making coconut cream.
How?
Oh, magic and a lot of love.
No, that was my greeting. How?
Like that?
Yeah, see how it goes.
Woohoo! Maybe?
No.
No.
The boat shat itself, people. Why didn't you fill it up to the top like I do it?
Because then I just drop all the things and the food on the table like you did.
Yeah, that's right. Top stuff. Good to see you learning from my mistakes.
Yeah. You can learn a lot by mistakes.
Yes. So she's implying that she's learning a lot because I make a lot of mistakes here, people.
Oh no!
You girls are so strong. You know there is a ladder.
You're back.
Is it cold?
No, not at all.
Alright, time for a drink?
Drinky poos, time for drink.
Drinky poos indeed, people. One of my YouTube fans said fry this up with soy sauce. And it's really good, apparently. So thank you for the suggestion. I think we will try that because I can almost taste that now. I reckon your one also would be good.
Yeah.
if you got some butter and brown sugar and fried it with brown sugar and butter.
Shoot, that's great.
I reckon
That
that'd be
sounds
good, but
great.
that's more of a dessert, people. What do you?
What?
That made your eyes light up.
Yeah.
Yes, Steffi's eyes light up for only a few things. Number one, taekwondoing someone to death.
Yeah.
Making shredded coconut. Drinky poos, which we're coming to. And little old me. I thought
Wow.
I
But
thought
the last one.
I thought I'd sneak that in because she, with taekwondo, she might have had one too many punches, so her concentration span might have been. She was onto it. Tried to slip it in, people, but I couldn't. I tried.
Better not.
I'm looking forward to this. That's going to be good.
Yeah.
In the porridge. It's going to be great.
Yeah. See. I don't see her. She's not there. Maybe she's changing toilet.
That hatch is very, very convenient, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's for the mystical, magical hand for drinks. Peter, I need a drink. Oh! We need some cups, people. I'm afraid I'm thirsty. Possibly looking like a nice sunset, people. What do you reckon? Oh, there we go. Speak of the devil. Top stuff. Woohoo!
Woo!
Okay, you serve whatever you... Oh, we need that spoon. So you might have to lick it. Oh, we need a spoon. Oh, whatever. Doesn't matter. This is great.
It's great.
Say hello, thing.
Yeah.
Have you seen the Addams Family?
Yeah.
All right, because thing is the hand, right?
Yeah.
Have you seen it too?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, but you've seen the new version, the movie. Is it the movie?
Yeah, I think so.
All right.
Probably.
It used. What's that?
She's changing.
You're getting
Okay.
changed. Okay, camera's coming down. Oh, just kidding. Don't be shy. You make your own. As much rum, as much coconut cream, and as much sugar as you like. But remember, your father could be watching.
Ah, yeah.
So,
That's okay.
so maybe
Maybe not that much.
wait for the camera to go off.
I don't know.
Hey, this is. No, I didn't think it was coming out.
How
No,
did you do it?
No, that's it.
There?
No, it wasn't. No, it's right. It just wasn't coming out, was it?
Ah, yeah, no, it takes some time.
Oh, I can smell it's good. Well, because it's liquid.
I don't know how much rum.
That's probably. You probably need double that, but I'm not judging.
Okay. Maybe like that. I think that's.
All right. Yeah. All right. You're paying attention at home. This is freshly done, smushed up coconut flesh, and then I think we've shown it already. And you do that. Yeah. All right. Excellent. And or honey would be better, but we don't have any of that. Actually, I do have honey, but that's medicinal purposes.
Okay. I think it's ready. I have no clue how much.
You could use a spoon. I mean,
No,
I'm just
just
putting it
do
out
this.
there. Just putting it out there.
Yes.
Is it good?
Yeah,
All right.
that's great.
We're waiting for you.
Katrina,
Come on!
hurry up!
And make sure you got a smile. It's a YouTube vlog.
Do you want
Everyone smile, pretend you're happy, and pretend I'm cool.
She's trying.
Is she still dressing?
Oh wow, it's great.
Oh, you got to do it on camera. Thing. Get your thing up here and start drinking. You're getting your things. All right. Yeah, how good's that? It's beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is the best ever.
Yeah.
Just put heaps of rum and heaps of sugar.
Oh, honey, honey, do, 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 do. You are my candy.
Why don't you just pour it all in that one? Cut out the middle man.
Yeah, just put rum in this.
Just put,
That's
it.
perfect. Are these the same?
Yep, I just trying to cool it.
Oh, sugar, dun, 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 dun. Oh, honey, honey.
Might need a top up.
Yeah. Shake it.
It's the most stylish, humoristic, lovely Lithuanian I've ever met, people.
The only Lithuanian you've ever met.
Well, yes, as well, but you don't have to wreck it. Here, try this one, Steph.
What,
Just
that
try
one?
this one.
I don't know, what did you put inside?
Just try it.
Ooh, that's
Is
great.
that too rich?
No, it's great.
Okay, well, it's probably got 3 times as much of everything you've got, and a third of the coconut. Sorry, that you can use that.
Already did.
You can do this yourself, people. Nectar of the gods. There are 3. Actually, are there more than 3 things that are nectar of the gods? I think the passion fruit, pineapple, banana, and ginger drink is nectar of the gods. I think pineapple's nectar of the gods. I think nectarine's also nectar of the gods.
Sweet.
It's nectar of the gods, isn't it?
Yeah.
Mm. Is there a Lithuanian liqueur that's creamy, that's the nectar of the gods?
I think we have something made from honey.
Ooh,
I haven't
maybe.
tasted it though.
Oh, haven't you?
No. Vodka's more popular.
Is it?
Yeah, same as. It's always vodka.
Really?
Yeah. People
Okay.
drink a lot of vodka.
How good's that? It's so
Not
good.
good at all. Awful. Horrible. Yeah. Hey, we haven't cheered yet. Cheers.
Cheers indeed.
Hey.
There we go.